प्रीत पुरानी बिसरी मस्त वाला मस्त कलंदर तू हवा का एक भवंडर बुझ के यूं अंदर ही अंदर क्यों रहेगा रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा यूं ना जा आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा यूं ना जा कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा रजाइया हो वे मेरा डोला नहीं आया डोला 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 के रब भी खेले अकेले रोज लगावे मेले ओ कहंदा कुछ न बदला जो तू बोले अज पहले के रब भी खेले अकेले रोज लगावे मेले ओ कहंदा कुछ न बदला जो तू बोले अज पहले चुप माही चुप है राजा बोले कैसे वे राजा बोले कैसे वे राजा जा 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 चुप माही चुप है राजा बोले कैसे वे राजा बोले कैसे वे राजा जा 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 ओ सुर्खियां है हवा में
दो दिलों के मिलने की
ओ अर्जियां है नज़ारों में
लम्हा ये थम जाने की
कैसे हुजूर जिए लब दिखलाए चुप्पी लगा के वो गजब है ये ढाए धीरे धीरे नैनों को धीरे धीरे जिया को धीरे धीरे भायो रे साहिबो हो धीरे धीरे बेगाना धीरे धीरे अपना सा धीरे धीरे लागे रे साहिबो हो धीरे धीरे नैनों को धीरे धीरे जिया को धीरे धीरे भायो रे साहिबो हो धीरे धीरे बेगाना धीरे धीरे अपना सा धीरे धीरे लागे रे साहिबो साहिबो
Okay, guys, am I audible? Is that a yes in the chat box? Yep, is that a yes? Some people asking some subjective questions in the Zoom chat. Do not worry. Me and my team will reply you. Do not worry. First thing, let us first start with some confirmations. Since this is a AI and stock market workshop, I want to confirm a few more things. You have to say yes or no in the chat box. The first confirmation which I need from everyone, can you see a chart on your screen? Is that a yes? Almost everyone is a yes in the chat box. Yes, 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 everyone. Perfect. Now some people asking subjective questions. Bhai, thoda ruk jao. Please wait. I will answer all your questions. Next confirmation. Can you see a automated trading system? How we are going to build this? How to build? मैं सब सिखाऊंगा. Do not worry. Is that a yes? A automated system. Can you see this? You just have to click one button and your job trading research is done. Yes, ये भी दिख रहा है. Now, last but not the least, can you see an AI agent which can do your portfolio analysis? One AI agent which can do your technical and fundamental analysis as well. Is that a yes in the chat? Yep, sab dikh raha hai. Can we start now? It's officially right now. I'm in Mumbai. I'm in India. I'm live completely in front of now. Some people were doubting it. I think Vaibhav Jain or someone. ये देखो. I'm in India. The time right now is 7:01. I stay in Mumbai, so don't worry. I'm completely live in front of you. Now let's get started with this workshop. I'm closing the chat box. Now, first thing first that we need to understand, that we need to learn about before we start with this workshop is what is the duration. I know there are many working professionals in the house. I know many people have different commitments. Chalo, I can just see your name. I can see Somya hai, Radha hai. We can see Vaibhav, Jeet, Raj, Rahul, Ramya. I just want to understand your background. So I'm launching one poll. Can you tell me who you are? So I've launched one poll in the chat box. Can you tell me who you are? Are you a working professional? Are you a business owner? Are you a student? Simply vote for your background. Okay? Okay, fair, fair, fair. I'm getting the majority. 70% crowd is working professional. Then we have 15% crowd who's a business owner. 8% are traders, or 10%. Last 10% people are students. Okay, no problem. Now, let me tell you, in the next 3 hours, which we have started officially at 7 p.m., right now the time is 7.2 minutes. We are going to wrap up this workshop on or before 10 p.m. So the commitment is 3 hours. I know you might be like, Hardik, 3 hours, any break, ye wo, chill. How this 3 hours are go away, you won't even realize. Why? Because these are my big promises to you. Promise number one. Every single person who have joined this webinar today at 7 p.m., you will learn the secret strategy of layering that only 10% profitable traders are using it. Now, the 70% beginners in the house, you might be like, Hardik, only 10%. So 90% ka kya? What about 90%? 90% people are making losses in Indian stock market. Hardik, how do you know that? This is not something I know it. This is something officially data by SEBI. Second, the people who are here like Hardik, I have some experience, ye wo, you're going to understand how you can moderate, how you can leverage the modern AI and automation. Down the moment people think AI and automation, two, three things comes in your mind. Hardik, AI and automation, but I am not a coder. No technical background, no coding background required. Second biggest problem, Hardik, modern AI, expensive hoga, right? It might be very expensive. The best part, in this workshop, we will not just explore the tools, we will learn it and you will get free access to that tools, zero payment from your side. And last but not the least, the most crazy part about this workshop, you will learn, you will practically understand and use a trading strategy which has given a whooping 33%. I know the people who have some little bit experience in stock market ya SIP kar rahe ho, the people are like 33. Hardik, this sounds too good to be true. And let me tell you, the moment you will see it, you will go crazy. Hardik, how you can show that? Because I will show you on the back-tested data of 7 years. Kitna? 1, 2, nahi, 7 years. Every single year it has performed 33% annual returns. So these are my commitments for the workshop. These are the deliverables. This is the curriculum for the workshop for the next 3 hours. Now I know you might be thinking who you are. What is your background? So guys, a very good evening to every single one of you. My name is Hardik Raja. I'm the co-founder and chief operating officer at Skill Nation, where we have gone from 0 to 560 crores in revenue till date. And not just that, guys, we are completely bootstrapped. So aisa nahi, we have taken some investors ka money and we are burning that. No, we are completely bootstrapped. And you know what's the best part? We are profitable since day one. So we understand the profit mindset. We don't understand loss or something like that. And now coming to the point, Adik, what's your investment background? Are you a trader? Are you an investor? So guys, I have built my own investment portfolio from ground zero to multiple crores. Hardik, multiple crores. Hardik, this is like anyone can write multiple crores on PPT. Sab reel pe bol rahe, Instagram pe, YouTube pe. Everyone is saying they have crores. But no one shows their verified PNN. No one shows their portfolio to you. And that's where I'm going to change the things for us, guys. Here is my portfolio. So, guys, I know you guys use common brokers like Zerodha and all of that. I use private broker. I will just show it to you. It's called Arihant. I will refresh it to just to make sure you're not seeing a screenshot. It's a live website. I am in my broker login. I have a trading and investing capital of 4.43 crores. You can see the zeros. Right now, as of today, I'm sitting on a notional profit of 80 lakhs. And my portfolio value is 5.24 CR. Hardik, why you're showing this? Just to make you understand there are some things which is possible, which your mind thinks ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. But Hardik, this is just portfolio. What about your verified PNL? So just to show you my verified PNL for educational reasons, I'm going to show you my portfolio PNL for the last 3 months generate in front of you. Notional overall profit, which I have not booked as of now, 86 lakhs. Hardik, how much you have booked in the last 3 months? 5.8 lakh realized. Unrealized, abhi bhi I have shown you 80 lakhs. But Hardik, yeah, this is something very big. I don't have big capital. You don't need. I have started my journey from 10,000. वही मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ. And the best part, 90% here would be Hardik, trading तो पता ही नहीं. I don't know how to trade. I am a SIP person. I will show you my SIP portfolio as well. 60 lakhs invested, sitting on a notional profit of 15 lakh rupees. And not just that, guys. Anyone who's like XR, it's around 16.8. Right now, the market was falling. Some days, ऊपर नीचे होते रहता है, right? Sitting on a notional profit of almost 1 CR. And not just that, guys. Now you might be like, Hardik, are you trader and investor in options? Ye wo, guys, I trade and invest across multiple asset classes. I have my investments in startup. I have my investment in real estate. I have my investment in foreign equities, USA equities, mutual funds, crypto bhi hai. I will guide you and teach you. The best part now, guys, I'm on a mission to help others achieve what I have achieved with my skills. I will help you with the same. And now I know what you're thinking. I will read your mind. Let me show you the next slide. Most importantly, I do not sell recorded courses. Yes, you heard it right. I sell recorded courses, but that's for working professional. That's for AI, ChatGPT, Excel, PowerPoint, all of that. But in stock market, zero recorded courses. Hardik, why? This is my personal opinion, guys. My personal point of view. I personally feel stock market is a crucial topic and it should be always and always taught live. Just like this live class. So I conduct live programs. You're a part of this live program. I conduct advanced programs for people who are 30, 40, 50, 60 plus, who needs hand holding, who needs slow learning. So I conduct such things as well. So now I hope everyone has got a like clear background about me. Everyone has got what we are going to cover, what's the duration, how your Q&As, how your queries will be solved. So now, are you excited? Can I get a yes in the chat box? Are you ready to become a stock trader? Are you ready to become a person who is ready to understand how to generate second source of income and how to build massive wealth for yourself? Let me see in the chat box. What's your response? Is that a yes? The chat is going bonkers. Crazy, bhai. You have done a lot at 26. Thank you so much, bro. And I will help you to understand how to do it for yourself as well. What's the roadmap? What's the tools required? Sab bataunga. Do not worry. Yes? Chalo. Perfect. Yes, bro. I'm with you. Let's start. We have doctors in the house. Wow, crazy. We have variety of crowd. Now I'm closing the chat box. Now, guys, let's get started with the curriculum of this workshop. First, let us understand. Hardik, you have said something crazy. मैं तो beginner हूँ. I've completely go crazy. 90% are losing money. See this, guys. Official data by SEBI. I am not saying this. Now, our motive is we do not have to focus on 90%. Why? We will see why they are losing and we will solve that problem. So according to my research, I've done thousands of interviews. I've understood thousands of problems from people. These are the 4 problems which are faced by 90% professionals. Adek, what is this problem? First, commons among beginners, working professionals especially. Lack of discipline. Guys, we are all living in this era of digital, social media and all of that. And now I will tell you what happens actually. Whenever people have some idle time in their office while studying, while doing their business, they open their mobile phone. Oh, ye badega. Oh, it's going down. It's not a strategy. It's called manual stress, which comes with manual trading. So we will solve that using AI. Second, among busy people, anyone who's a busy here, they will always say, Hardik, mere paas time hi nahi. Hardik, I don't have time to do research, market analysis, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. Itna time hi nahi. So now we are going to solve this using AI tools and AI agents. Next, Hardik, I'm a trader already. मेरे को बहुत loss हो गया. I made a loss because of manual trading. I will show you how you can execute your trades using automation. Now the best part, for this automation, you do not have to spend a single rupee from your pocket. All the modern age brokers have it. And the last problem, which is for everyone, all the category, working professional, student, trader, business owner, which is half knowledge. We have all understood, guys, you should never ever invest your money in stock market before investing in your knowledge. You have invested 99 rupees, perfect choice. Now let me prove it to you why majority of you have half knowledge. So for that, before I start with my trading strategy, which has given a whooping 33% across 7 years on the backtested data, I want to make you understand a simple concept. Now the minority crowd, जो traders है, I know you already know breakout. Just bear with me 2 minutes. I'm explaining beginners की breakout क्या होता है, and it will be a revision for you. So now, before we understand breakout, guys, you need to understand there are two parties in the world of stock market. Party number one, bull. Bell, their job is to only increase the prices of any commodity, stocks, any kind of markets. You will see bulls, one category will always increase the demand. Second party, complete opposite. Bear, bhalu. Their job is to always and always bring the prices, pull the prices down. Their job is to crash the market. Now, what happens? These two parties are active every day and they fight with each other, not actual may hypothetically, and you see such patterns forming on stock charts. So you will see sometime the prices is going down, sometime the prices is going up, sometime it's going down, sometime it's going up. So ये क्या हो रहा है? These two parties are fighting with each other. But the beauty of technical analysis and the thing we have to learn right now, we have to observe right now is this. Resistance. Hardik, resistance क्या होता है? It's quite self-explanatory. You don't need some stock market का ज्ञान or knowledge. Use your common sense. Resistance. What is the meaning? Resist. It is resisting the prices to go up. Hardik, how can you see this? The price touch here came down. Price touch here came down. The price touch here came down. So it's called resistance. It's a resistant point. उसके ऊपर price नहीं जा रहा है. Above that, the price is not going up. Now, there is one more beautiful thing in the world of stock market. You know what's that? Economics. Yes, 90% people ignore economics. Now let me teach you some economics ka basic funda, guys. Economics and stock market go hand in hand. So now in economics, there are two factors, internal factor, external factor. Now guys, just for now, visualize that this is a stock trading chart of HDFC Bank. Example. Now guys, let's say there is something internal factor news. What is that? Let's say HDFC Bank has come up with some good profits. Profits doubled. Hypothetically, for educational purposes, revenue doubled, or hired someone as a good CEO of HDFC Bank. Now, this is a positive internal factor due to which the stock will go up. External factor क्या हो सकता है हार्दिक? External factor means let's say RBI, Reserve Bank of India. And just a disclaimer, guys, I know there are some international audience here. People have joined from 5 countries. People we have from Gulf people, from Dubai and Abu Dhabi and all of that, Saudi. We have people from UK, USA, Canada, and we have people from Australia as well. So all the people who are international NRI audience, we are going to talk about Indian stock market with respect to INR, Indian rupee. Now, let's say there is an external factor, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Those people have come up with some good policy for the banking industry and it is in favor of HDFC Bank. Again, the stock will go up. And now, guys, because of this factor, you will find this point. Kaise? I will show you, don't worry. Whenever you see the break is happening, break किसमें हो रहा है हार्दिक? Break what is the break? Break of resistance. Whenever there is a break of resistance, it is called breakout. And do you know why it's called breakout? Because as per technical analysis, it has been said जब भी breakout होता है, whenever the breakout happens, the stock is bound to go up. And now, guys, the people here might be thinking, Hardik, does it really happen in real world? Itna easy hai? Let me show you real world examples. Maruti Suzuki 10-minute candle. Can you see this? The prices came here, went down, came here, went down, came here, went down. Some fine day, because of economics, internal factor, external factor, kuch bhi ho sakta hai. Breakout happened. And in a couple of 10-minute candle, we are seeing 10-minute candle. In a couple of 10-minute candle, you could have made a 3.2% return on your capital. This is the same return people wait for 6-7 months in a FD, fixed deposit. Let me show you one more example. Gale weekly chart. The prices came here where it was, Hardik, it was 115 rupees INR. The prices came here, went down. 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 One fine day, something happened. internal factor or external factor, and you could have got in a couple of weeks, you could have made 52% return on your capital in a couple of weeks. This is the return people get in 3-4 years in mutual funds. And not just that, guys, now the best part. Hardik, ये breakout पता कैसे चलेगा? How to identify a breakout? How does 90% people identify a breakout? I will tell you the real story. News channels. See this. CNBC, पहला सौदा ITC बढ़ेगा आज तेजी का दिन, और स्टॉक में ब्रेकआउट फ्रेश बाय करे और समथिंग लाइक दैट, मुनाफा की तैयारी. Or else you can see it on any platforms like Dalal Street, Money Control. A solid breakout is seen in the stock. Do you hold them? Do you buy them? Do you sell them? All those things. And now because of this, because of news channels, paid medias, telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, and whatnot, most people think that buying when the breakout occurs can make them actual real money. And logically, it's also true. We have seen something, we have seen it technical, we have seen the theory. And now this is why the problem starts. Now, before I want to understand, I know many people here are beginners. How many of you used to think or right now thinking that buying a breakout, you can actually make money? Is that a yes or no in the chat? Is that a yes or no in the chat? Yes, yes. 90% again are saying yes. I think the people saying no might be the experienced traders in the house. Yes, yes, yes. No idea. The people who have no idea, no problem. No, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Now, guys, comes the best part. I'm closing the chat. Let me tell you the real answer. We have 85% people saying yes, 15% people have said no, and the real answer is a big no. Hardik, what the hell? Can you prove it? Can you prove it? Let me prove you with the help of data. Guys, I do not watch Telegram groups. I do not watch YouTuber videos. I only believe one thing. What's that? Data. Because data is unbiased. Data does not have emotion. And which can do data analysis the best? AI. So I always trust two things in my life, data and AI. And let me show it to you. So we decided to backtest this theory, famous theory of breakout. Every YouTuber will tell you, all the Telegram groups will give you stop loss target. So what we have done is, we have taken Nifty 500, Nifty 50, Nifty 500, top 500 companies of India as per their market capitalization listed on Indian stock market. Okay, how many stocks are they? 1, 2, no, 500. Hardik, 500 stocks. And what is the tenure of the data, Hardik? Tenure is 7 years. Hardik, why not 1 or 2 years? Why 7 years? Because we want to test out on every type of market. Bull market, bear market, sideways, consolidation, COVID ka fall, V-shaped recovery, all those things. So I hope everyone has understood. We have data for 500 stocks and the tenure is 7 years. What are we are going to do with that? We are going to put this data in the AI tool. But Hardik, how? Wait for 10 minutes. I will show you which is the AI tool. I will also show you how you can do it. So don't worry. This is a practical workshop. No Baba ka session is going on. No GAN session. It's a practical workshop. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to put all the charts of 500 stocks in the AI tool like this. And we will tell the AI tool to identify the top point. We will tell the AI tool, identify the top point in the last 6 months, in the last 125 days. Now, beginners will have one doubt in their mind right now. Sir, you have said 180 days, that's 6 months, right? Why you're saying 125 days and 6 months? So beginners, I'm talking about trading year. There are 365 days, but that's in calendar year. When it comes to trading year, you don't have 365 trading days. Why? Because 52 Sundays market close. 52 Saturday market close. Public national holiday 15th August, 26th January market close. So in an entire year, you have approximately 250 trading days, and 250 ka half divide by 2, it's 125 trading days. That's the reason it's called 6 month. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to identify the top point in the last 125 days. Hardik, why? Because we will tell the AI tool, whenever breakout happens, inform us. Give us some notification, give us some alert. And the moment breakout happens, the strategy is very simple. We will buy the stock for 5 trading days. Hardik, why? Because it can go up. And now let me show you the reality of stock market. Let me show you the real picture. If anyone is telling you ye upar hi jayega, that person is lying it to you. Why? Because there are two possibilities of stock market. It can go up and it can go down. That's the reality. The stock market is a data driven scientific game of probability. And now our strategy is very simple. We will buy and hold it for 5 days. No matter what happens, war is going on, tariff war is going on, recession is coming, does not matter. Why? Because we will stick to a system. So Hardik, can you put numbers and explain you? So I will give you a rough example, guys. So hypothetically speaking, let's say today's Thursday. Today, let's say it's at 103 rupees. Okay, 103 rupees. And the resistance was 102. INR. Everything is INR, zero in dollars. Now, the breakout happened at 103 rupees. Let's say आज Thursday. आज the market is open. For example, you will buy it on Thursday. You will hold it tomorrow. Let's say Friday. Then Saturday, Sunday, nothing. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And you will sell it on 5th trading day. End of it next Thursday. So Hardik, let's say today is Saturday. Can you trade on Saturday? No. Let's say Hardik, today is Friday. When do I buy it? If I bought it on Friday, you sell it on next Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 trading days. Hardik, what if I bought it on Wednesday? Sell it on next Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday market is closed. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 5 trading days. Now the beauty here is we can test this. We can test this and let me test it and show you the results. And I will share it with you. Don't worry. Just a quick summary. Nifty 500 top stocks of Nifty 7-year ka data entry rule. Now here many people will get confused. I will tell you the logic. You are so equipped with the Telegram groups and YouTube. You just hear two things every day. Target, stop loss. Target, stop loss. The world of stock market is so big. There are so many time-based strategies which people don't know. This is a time-based strategy. Let me show you. So here we have rules. Entry rule. For a layman in the house, entry rule means when to buy. Kab kharidna hai. When to buy. So when we are going to buy, whenever the breakout will happen, the resistance point is broke, we will buy it towards the end of the market. Exit rule. Hardik, stop loss. There is no stop loss in this strategy. Guys, again, upgrade your brains. Do not just stuck on target, stop loss, target, stop loss. There is something called as exit rule. When to sell? Kab bechna hai? We will sell it after 5 trading days. At the end of 5th trading day, towards the end of market. Hardik, do I need to sell it at 329? No, you can sell it at 325 as well. No problem. Now, what are the results? The results will make you go crazy, guys. See this. If you would have followed just like 90% traders out there, you would have taken 10,417 trades. Kitna? 10,417 trades. Hardik, this is per year? No, across 7 years. Across the entire timeline of 7 years, which I showed you, you would have taken 10,417. This is your hard work, manual trading. What is your reward? See this, return. I will just zoom in a little bit. Your reward is just 14%. Hardik, just 14%. Why you are saying just, guys? This is less than your mutual fund. Isse acha to why to do trading? Invest in mutual fund. This is the reason people lose money. And let me tell you, this is pre-tax. If I remove all the sort of taxes, GST, IGST, stamp duty, if I remove your brokerage fees, if I remove all your short-term, long-term capital gains, and if I adjust it with inflation, kuch nahi bachega हाथ में. You will be left with nothing. And this is the reason 90% people are losing money in the world of stock market. Can I get MB in the chat? MB stands for mind blown. Have you understood, beginners, why 90% people are losing money? First, you have understood that. That's the first point we need to understand today. If someone is sitting with pen and paper, just note it down. It will be lifelong learnings with you. MB, everyone is writing MB in the chat box. Perfect. Now, I will close the chat box. Now, before I close the chat box, okay, I've closed the chat box. I know what you're thinking right now. Hardik, if the statistics are so bad, You have just now showed your portfolio and all of that. How the hell you are making money? And I think there are some late joiners, the people who don't have my background. Let me just show you my portfolio. I have a SIP portfolio where I'm sitting on a notional profit of 15 lakhs. I have a trading and investing portfolio where I've showed my verified PNL. See this again, I'm generating last 3 months notional profit of 83 lakhs, booked profit of 5 lakhs. And Hardik, what's your trading capital right now? My investment values are 5 plus CR, 5.24. Now we need to understand what professionals like me do. And I'm not the only one who's making money. Like me, there are 10% crowd in the world of stock market, HNIs, FIIs, DIs, the big people. Smart money. All are making money. Now, Hardik, why this 10% people are making money and why this 90% people are losing money? Because this 10%, which I call it the rich, understand the game of layering and filters. Now, trust me, guys. I know many people have FOMO. Many people have fear here कि यार मैं beginner हूँ, I don't have knowledge. I'm going to change your mindset. Hardik, why? You don't require any prior background. You don't require any prior stock market degree or something like that. It's quite simple. Let me explain you. So now what are filters, Hardik? Filters like breakout, volume, price pattern, moving average, MACD, Bollinger Band, ye wo, all of that. What is the use of this? This filters, this layers help you to increase your chances of becoming profitable. So let's say, as I've told you, stock market is all game of probability. 50-50, ऊपर जा सकते हैं, नीचे जा सकते हैं. Now, if you're choosing that the stock might go up, this filters can improve your probability from, let's say, 10% to 20, 20 to 30. It can increase your returns as well. Now, for a layman language, you do not focus on these complications. Let me explain you with a very simple example. See my hand. ये दिख रहा है सबको? See this. This is a remote. Right now, just visualize this is a pastry cake. And let's say I'm Hardik. I have this pastry. I will give it to you. You will take a bite of it and you will be like, bhai, maza aa gaya. It was lovely, right? But guys, now let's say if the same pastry, if I just give you the first layer, the bread layer, and if I will give it to you, you will eat and you will be like, it is okay, not that great. And this is the problem. People are stuck at the first layer only. You need to add multiple layers. Now, first layer is bread. Then we put cream on it. Then we put toppings on it. Then we put cherry on the cake. That is where the complete setup is ready. Now, people, 90% are here only. Breakout, buy kar liya. They're sitting there and they're getting average returns or below average returns. What if I told you we can add layer and increase the returns? We can add layer and increase the returns. Hardik, does it even work in real life? Let me prove it to you with the help of common sense. Nothing is required. No stock market GAN is required. Use your common sense and tell me, every participant in the Zoom chat, use your brains and tell me. We are talking about Nifty 500 companies, top companies of India. Don't you think if there is a breakout in a company, I will know it, you will know it, your best friend will know it who is associated with stock market, your colleague will know it, if any of your family member is associated, he will know it, if your neighbor is associated, he or she, anyone will know it. Use your common sense and tell me yes or no. Does it make sense? Is that a yes in the chat box, everyone? No knowledge is required. Common sense. Tell me if genuinely something good is happening with, let's say, for example, HDFC Bank. Don't you think everyone will know it? Is that a yes or no? It's a public listed company. Everyone will know it, right? Yes. Now, thank you so much. I'm closing the chat and I want to tell you one thing. I want to say you one word. What's that? Congratulations. Hardik, why? Because without any background, just now you have learned one indicator. Hardik, what the hell? What are you saying? Let me prove it to you. So now if there is a breakout, right? Just like for our example, HDFC Bank, the buy and sell activity will increase. Why? Because everyone will know it. I also want to make money. You also want to make money. Your neighbor want to make money. Best friend want to make money. Everyone wants to make money in life, right? So everyone will try to jump on that stock. Everyone will try to buy that stock. So buy sell activity of the stock will also increase. Make sense? Common sense? And now why I've said congratulations? Because there is one indicator which you have learned right now. Congratulations, volume. Volume is an indicator in the world of stock market that shows you the same activity. So just to verify if there is a genuine breakout or not, false breakout to nahi hai, you can see the volume as well. And now our strategy is very simple. We want volume, the buying selling activity. We want that at the time of breakout 2x, double of the average. Hardik, why only double? Why not triple? Why not chobble? Why not 4 times? Why not 5 times? Why not 10 times? Guys, we have tested out every single number out there, and trust me, 2x gives you the best result. If you don't trust me, try it yourself, you will come to know. And now comes the best part. Hardik, what is the result? Guys, what is the result of this modified strategy? Guys, see this. First, let me show you your hard work. Your hard work has gone from 10,417 to just 6,600. Hardik, a difference of almost 3,800. Where are those trades, Hardik? Disappeared. Gayab. Disappeared. Hardik, why? Because we have added the protection of 2x volume. So now in those 3,800 trades, there was a breakout. It was seeing on the news channels as well. It might happen. You might see that on the internet or on any blogs or articles. But what you don't see, there was no 2x volume. So we have eliminated our hard work. And now guys, since our childhood, let me remind all of us, I know many people here are 30, 40, 50, 60 plus as well. Remember our childhood, what we have learned since our childhood from our parents, from our guardians. The more hard work you do beta in your life, the more success you will get. But let me show you the reality of stock market. Let me expose it. Can you see your hard work has gone down? But see your reward has gone up by 5.7%. Hardik, how did it happen? We have in fact trading less kar diya, returns are up. Hardik, how? Because we have avoided the errors which 90% crowd don't understand. They are running behind some secrets. There are no secrets. The best way is to avoid the errors. The moment you avoid the errors, you start getting success. And see this, guys. Your returns have gone from 14% to 19.74% by just adding one layer. 2x volume. इससे क्या हो गया? We have avoided the errors. Where there was no volume, why to buy it? Why to take unnecessary risk? In the world of finance, you can always take calculated risk. Isn't it mind-blowing, guys? Can I get MB in the chat? Did you like the way we are seeing from data point of view? Zero emotion, zero guesswork, nothing. Isn't it mind-blowing, sir? Crazy, sir. Mind-blowing, awesome. Hardik, can we do it in real? I will do it live in front of you. Trust me, just wait for 4 minutes. Now, guys, I will read your minds. Let me read your minds. Wait, everyone, wait. Now, guys, I have a question for everyone. Let me read your mind. Is this ever happened to you? Ki the moment you bought the stock, it went down. Drop me in the chat. Tell me honestly. Is this ever happened to you? The moment you buy it, वो नीचे चला जाता है. Most of the times, many times, always. It happened 2 days back. Yes, always, number of times. Yes, it's true. Now, guys, can we remove this using our common sense? Are you all ready? No complicated jargons, no stock market degree, just common sense. You can remove this. Ready? Real story? Okay, guys. Now I'm closing the chat. Now, guys, understand what do you want in life. Now, when you buy the stock, for example, educational purpose, I'm telling, let's say you bought a stock at 100 rupees, for example. Now, what's your expectations? Understand. You want that stock to go at 102 rupees, 103 rupees, or 105 rupees. That is where you will make money, right? The moment stock goes up. So now here, what is the problem? The problem is you want some assurity. You want some safety. Ki yaar, there is some more room for that stock to go up. So now, guys, our logic is very simple. We want some assurity. We want some safety that there is more room for that stock to go up. Example, let's say apne 100 million, you wanted to go at 102, 103, whatever the example. Now, guys, think of it having as some runway. Now I will show you one example. See my this again remote here. Now visualize everyone. Let's say this is a runway of an aeroplane. Now this is the starting point of the runway. This is the ending point of the runway. Let's call it 0. Starting point is 0. Ending point is 100. Now guys, if you will observe closely, if the stock or if the aeroplane is starting from 0, it will take off. The aeroplane will take off around 70% of the runway. It will never utilize 100% of the runway. Hardik, why 100% tak jayega? Crash ho jayega, right? So now guys, what if I told you there is one indicator in the world of stock market which can show you the runway? If you have got this, congratulations. Why, Hardik? Because now there is a number which is called RSI number. RSI क्या होता है, Hardik? What is the full form, guys? Trust me, theory is useless, but let me tell you the full form. It's relatively strength index. But I will show you the logic, which is important. Now, what is the indicator? What is this indicator? The job of this indicator, it will show you a number. Hardik, which number? Number between 0 to 100. It will show you any number, 12, 24, 56, 92, 180, kuch bhi between 0 to 100, 18, or let's say 46, 32. What is the interpretation? What is the logic of that number? That is something we need to understand. So now let's say 0 to 100, and let's say it showed you number 50, for example. What is the interpretation? That shows how much runway is left in a particular stock. So now if the number is 90, we cannot take it because very less runway is left. It's quite risky from data point of view. But Hardik, what if the number is, let's say, 30? Again, that is not good. Why? 30, like there is more runway left, but there are less chances it will go up. So Hardik, what is that sweet spot? Can you tell us? That sweet spot is the RSI number should be less than 70. Hardik, why only 70? Why not 80? Why not 90? Why not 30? Guys, we have tried all the numbers. We have tried all the permutation combination. 70 gives you the best results. And if you don't believe us, try it yourself. I will give you the data. Aap check kar lena, no worries. Now, let me show you the beauty of stock market. Let me show you the magic of stock market, which very less people understand. See this. 10,600 and now we are at 1,400 trades only. Hardik, that's a approximately difference of 5,000. Yes, you heard it right. 5,000 trades disappeared. Gayab. Hardik, where are these trades? These are you only, you people only. These people written na? Me, always universal, most of the time, even today, most of the time, it happened, most of the time, yesterday, day before yesterday, always, majority, all the time. This is your situation. 5,000 trades, wahi trades stay. It might happen the moment you bought it, it went down. So here also what we have done, we have avoided the errors. Why to take unnecessary risk? Always remember in your mind, always take calculated risk. Now see the magic of stock market. Hard work gone down. Actually, it's smart work. And now rewards. From 19.74%, we are now at 33.65 percentage every single year by just adding 2 layers of protection. This is the fundamental difference. And guys, what if I told you this is one strategy? I have like this six, not one, 6 proprietary strategies. Many people are stuck at this. Can you see this? 90% are here. Only 10% people are able to achieve and understand such proprietary strategies. Can I get MB in the chat box? Is it lovely? Is it beautiful, guys? Have you attended a workshop like this? 100% practical. Beauty, mind-boggling, great, crazy. Hardik, is this annual returns? Annual returns, year on year for continuous 7 years, 33.65. Now coming to the main part. Hardik, this looks very complicated. And the best part here is, Hardik, all of this is on presentation, PowerPoint presentation. Hai. How many people have this real question? Hardik, how? Drop how in the chat. How to find this trade? Ye milega kaise? How do I find it in live market? If I have to do it from next week, current week, how to start? And the coming to the main point, guys, I want to see how many people are ready for this. I'm closing the chat, guys. You have written how in the chat, I understand. But how many people are like, Hardik, how to find this without going through stock charts, patterns, screening of 5, 5, 6 hours every day? Without doing that, Hardik, how to do this without spending my time? Hardik, I'm a busy guy. I'm a chartered accountant. I'm a doctor. I'm a lawyer. I'm a busy professional, or I'm a busy business owner 24 into 7 into 365. Without spending time. And the best part, the people, the main problem here, 90% beginners, no prior experience. Without all of this three, how to find this? Now, guys, since we are all live in this call, I just want to show you the timing. We are 41 minutes into the webinar. How many people are ready to write letter C in the chat? What is C? Guys, it's a workshop. I'm your mentor, right? How many people are ready to write C in the chat? C kiske liye, Hardik? C letter Y? Challenge. I challenge you, mentor. Try to do this live in 2 minutes. How many people are ready to give me challenge? Can I get C in the chat? Are you ready to give me a challenge? I will do it in 2 minutes using AI. Ready? Challenge? Let's do something, right? We are all live. It's a workshop. Come on. Ready? Challenge? How to find? Chalo. That's great. Now. I'm going to close the chat box and I want to tell you one thing. Challenge accepted. I will do apple to apple comparison. I will do this in the live market in the next 2 minutes. Chalo, let's do it. Hardik, but how to do it? So the people who might be here, professional traders, they might understand no code scanners, but I understand many people are here beginners. So let me show you a website called Chartling. Hardik, is this the AI tool? No, it's not an AI tool. It's a no code scanner. So Hardik, where is AI? I will show you. Wait, have vitamin P, P for patience. Now, here only one thing you have to do manually. Hardik, what's that? So can you see here cash likha hai cash? You have to change this cash segment to Nifty 500. Hardik, do I have to do it along with you? No, don't do it along with me. Right now, make notes, understand your learnings. After the workshop, all the deliverables, all the tools, all the links will be given. Aram se karna, no worries. Now, only one thing we have done manually. Now this entire thing in the PPD, can you see this? The entire thing will be done via AI. Hardik, what's that? So first we want to identify breakout without opening any Telegram group, without opening any news channel. So here's challenge number 1. I will write something in the magic. And trust me guys, it's magic, true magic. What? AI will write the codes for us. Hardik, how? Let me show you. See this. I will copy the prompt. Prompt bhi mil jayega aapko after the workshop. Don't worry. See this. I've written a simple prompt. Scan the stocks where it is all-time high compared to last 125 days. How many stocks we want to AI scan? 500. Now, Hardik, ye banega kaise? How to code? You don't have to learn coding. You just have to click on generate. Busy? Exams? Working 9 to 5? No problem. Have some chai or coffee. AI has done the coding. Guys, see this. This is all complex coding. This is all we don't have to learn. When I say coding, no coding. Now, what I have to do, Hardik? One button. Run scan. One button. Just. Hardik will get all the breakout. Let's see together. See this, guys. We have 11 stocks giving breakout. 11 stocks. And now, Hardik, this is the final deal. No. We are at what level? Let me just note it down this number 11. I will write 11 in the chat box. We are at this level. First level. All trades cannot make you profit. Understand that mindset as well. Now we will add one layer of protection, 2x volume. So Hardik, how to do this? We don't have to do it, buddy. AI will do it. I will just write the prompt. And I will give you the prompt as well. So don't worry. See this. So I will write it. Control C, Control V. Volume, buy sell activity should be double of the average. Click on generate. Have some chai, have some coffee, but guys, no need to do hard work. Satisfied? Now see the magic. What I will do is, I will come here. I will click one button. No matter how busy you are. One button, run scan. And now see the magic. 5 only. Hardik, pehle to 11 tha. Where are 6? Disappeared. No 2x volume. This is how you save your money by avoiding errors. Now we are at second level, 5. Okay, Hardik, now which to trade out of 5? We don't know. What if none of the trades are good trades? How to know that, Hardik? by applying third layer of protection, which is very simple. I do not have to copy it from the second monitor. I can write it myself. It's that simple. Even a 5-year-old, if you have children in your house, we have in our community, inner circle community, we have children who are school going students, 8th standard, 9th standard, they have started learning AI in stock market from 8th, 9th standard. Just think how bright their children's futures will be. Just see the magic. RSI will be less than 70. RSI will be, nahi, should be. RSI should be less than 70. Hardik, how to calculate 70, this and that? No, you don't have to learn. Your manual trading days are gone. See this. Click on generate. Wait for the results. AI has done it. I will click on run scan and let's see if there are any genuine trades or not. See this. This is the art of trading. This is the art of logical reasoning system based trading. Hardik, what the hell? There are no stocks to trade. No. Remember, we have to avoid the errors. Now, what is the final number? If let's say you would have to trade or day after tomorrow, kabhi bhi, whenever you feel like trading, you don't have to, because your system is telling you there are no stocks. Now, guys, how many people are like, Hardik, bhai, this is crazy. You won the challenge. Can I get W in the chat? If you accept, your mentor won the challenge without going through 500 stocks daily, without learning trading to the advanced level as of now immediately, and without spending your precious time. Even a 9 to 5 professionals, kya karna hai? One time ready. Every day you just have to click one button, which is less than 1 minute ka job. This is the power of thing. Can I get W in the chat? I've opened the chat. Did I want it? Without any coding background, without any stock market background, without learning complex jargons, texts, indicators, this and that, nothing. Common sense and simplicity. The beauty lies in simplicity. But now, guys, we have done something very first time in India. Do you want to experience it? Can I take it to the next level? Can I get NL in the chat? Next level. You will be the participants who will experience this first time in India. No one is doing it. Can I get NL in the chat? Everyone, next level. I can see some people are writing subjective questions. My team will help you. Don't worry. NL in the chat. Sure. Now I'm closing the chat. Guys, see this. No one does this. We are one of the first webinars in India who have done this. Hardik, what's that? See this. In the 99 rupees, without telling you buy this, buy that, I am not that kind of a person. In just 99 rupees, you will get this link. Hardik, ye link kya hai? Let me show you. You have this link. You just have to save it somewhere. Every day you come on the link and click on enter. Your trading system is ready by Hardik Raja. Hardik, what I have to do? Just click on one button and you can see the scan if there are any. Okay, right now we are seeing in cash segment. Do not try it on cash segment, only Nifty 500. Click on run scan. If there are any, you have to choose it or else not. But Hardik, what is something new in this? First, we will give you this inclusive of your 99 rupees, your hard earned money. We understand, we respect your money and time. But the next thing, Hardik, what is the back test? Back test mein to hua hai na, you are using this for 7 years. What is the history? We will give you back test history of 9 months and you can open any of it. Let me open you one or two for you just to cross verify things. See this. I'll open this in front of you, completely live. See this. For a layman, Hardik, how a layman will understand this complex thing? Layman, can you see this yellow? Yellow samajhta hai? Whenever you see this yellow signal in a layman language, just for educational reason, I'm telling you, you need to buy. Matlab, when to buy. This is a yellow signal. Okay? Now, let's say this is a yellow signal. Let's say you had this before, you bought it. For example, yahan pe, towards the end of market closing. Abhi we have to hold it for 5 trading days. So 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4th day, and here comes the 5th day. Just a sec. Closing of the market, which is around 8%. Just a sec. Yahan pe. My mouse is not working. What happened? Just a sec. My mouse is misbehaving. Let me just refresh the screen and refresh the charts as well. Perfect. Chalo. Let me take you back again. So yellow line stands for this. Let's mark this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's say you bought it here. Let's say, for example, today is Monday, educationally. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and next Monday you sell it. 5 trading days, 8% return. This is just one. I will show you many of them. I have many. I can show you entire day. See this. Where is the scanner? Here it was, right? See this. I will take you to the next data. Let's say next day. You open something. I will open this. Okay. See this. Let's take you to the data. Can you see this? We got here signal. Let's mark it up. We bought it here. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4th day, 5th day. See this. What happens with 90% crowd? They don't have a system. यहाँ पे जैसे ही red आया, लाल होगा. People panic. People fear because they trade on emotions. You have a setup. You know you have to hold it for 5 days. No matter what, war हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, we don't care. If the market is even for red for 2 days, we don't care. 5th day, your returns are 4.4% in 5 trading days. This is something which a normal common man, I feel sad for people who don't have someone like me to guide them. They use basic FD, 6% annual returns, less than that if you are not a senior citizen. And see, this is the power of data and AI. I can show you more as well if you want me to show you. I think we have seen this as well. Last, we can see one more cross verify. 4 to dekh liya. See this last. Where is the signal? Here it is. See this. I was mapping some day before only. See this. 16%. You bought it here. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4th day, 5th day. Hardik, can you please map it right now? Pehle se map na? I understand. I know. It's a human nature. I will do it again for you. See this. No problem. I have nothing to hide. I'm quite transparent. मैं तो ये link भी दूंगा आपको. Don't worry. You can see it for yourself. See this. We bought it here. Yellow signal. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. See this. What an average person will do, he will sell it on 3 day. Why? Emotion, greed, lalach. He will sell it at 5%. But you have a system. You will sell it on 5th day. 16.3% return in 5 days. What a person earns in an entire year in an average mutual fund. 5 days. This is the power of system. This is the power of system-based trading with the help of AI. And guys, abhi to AI chalu bhi nahi hua. We are going to see AI agents. We are going to see a lot more things. This is just the beginning of the class. Can I get WW again in the chat box? Double one. Sir, मान गए. How was your experience? Have you ever experienced this in India? Outside international audience, what's your take? People from outside India as well. Have you ever seen a webinar like this? So transparent. Apple to Apple comparison. Notes, links, sub de bhi dunga. You can cross verify yourself. I'm not telling you to trust me. Trust always data. Crazy. Hardik, is there any option trading strategy? We'll cover everything. Wait, ruk jao. Option trading, intraday, sab hoga one by one. Love from Himachal. Thank you, bro. Now I'm closing the chat. Wait. This is just the beginning. I will solve all your problems one by one. Don't you believe me? Let me solve your next problem. See this. I will just solve your next problem. Let me open my presentation. See this, guys. Now, I hope everyone is feeling right now. The people who don't understand Hindi, first it's written Chand pe apun. The people who don't understand Hindi, my Tamil friends, my people from South India. Here it's written, are you feeling from cloud 9? Are you feeling on cloud 9? And now let me solve your next problem. How many people have this mindset? This problem? Hardik, yaar, I've seen your trading portfolio. It's above 5 CR. But Hardik, I don't have 5 crores. Hardik, I don't even have 10 lakhs. I don't even have 1 lakhs. And that's the reason I'm like just investing my money without any research in SIP mutual funds. I don't understand how you spend 2 minutes daily to use such strategies and generate returns that make you money or that can even make you money. Now, let me solve your capital problem. First, I want to understand, kisko genuinely lagta hai? Tell me honestly, I'm your mentor, I will solve it. But I want your honesty. I want you to be too loyal. Drop me in the chat. How many people believe that don't have a big capital? Tell me honestly. Many people, me in the chat. Meko lagta hai, sir, me, yaar. Me. I don't have yaar. Theek hai, me, sir. I just have 20K. Me. Guys, see this. I don't have a big capital. I don't have me. I just have 10K. I just have 20K. Yes. See this, guys, and let me just show it to you just for your satisfaction. I will just close the chat box. Guys, see this. We have 150 people on this call. How many? 150. It's a webinar. It's not Zoom meeting. And this, see this. Right now, just to tell, some people are telling recorded it, recorded it. I don't know what's their mindset. See this. 7:56 p.m. in India. Here is my watch, completely live in front of you. And see this. Mamta ji is there. Someone called as Mamta. I don't take anyone's name just to maintain privacy. But I've taken a screenshot. Mamta ji is telling I have 20K, 20,000. Now let me change your mindset, guys. See this. Now let's say, hypothetically speaking, let's say me and my friend is there. My best friend, my childhood friend. He does not have any knowledge. He's targeting 15% return, average returns. I have proprietary strategy. I have some knowledge. I have some guidance. I have some mentorship. I'm targeting 33%. Now, the only difference here is just your capital. No, just your returns. Hardik, what is capital? Me and my friend both have just 10,000 rupees. Not 10,000 se zyada, not 10,000 se kam. Hardik, is it monthly 10,000? No. One time lump sum, we both had 10,000 rupees. Now just let me show you some educational thing which will change your mindset. Now at the end of 5th year, my friend will have 20,000 rupees. I will have 40,000, 4x, 40,000. His returns will be doubled. Mine will be 4 times. At the end of 15th year, he will have 8 times return. 10,000 became 80,000. Mine becomes 72 times, 7,20,000. And now let me make you understand from this graph the 8th wonder of the world. जो उसके बाद आता है, Taj Mahal and all of that के बाद में आता है, 8th wonder of the world, which is called compounding in the world of finance. At the end of 25th year, my friend will have a capital or a portfolio or a net worth, whatever you call it, of 3 lakh rupees, 30 times returns. My will be 1.2 CR. I know it's very hard to believe. You can, after this workshop, you can cross verify the numbers using SIP calculator. One time investment can become 1.2 crore rupees as well. Now, let me change your mindset with this. Hardik, what do you want to say here? Guys, you need to understand the way to become rich, the way to become crorepati is not having crores of rupees already as your capital. Hardik, can you show us some proof? See me, I'm the living proof. And if you don't believe me, look around you, look people around you. Let's start with cricket. Virat Kohli have thousands of crores at net worth. Did he had thousands of crores when he born? The answer is no. Same is with Sachin Tendulkar. Same is with Mahendra Singh Dhoni. They were not born crorepati's. They developed the skill which made them crorepati. Hardik, can you show us any other example? Guys, I can give you example in every field. Acting. Shah Rukh Khan, he was a born crorepati. No. Akshay Kumar, he was a born crorepati. No. Guys, there are many examples like this. Let's say, Hardik, can you show us some investing field ka example? Warren Buffett. He was not a billionaire when he born. Hardik, can you show us example in entrepreneurship? The biggest example in India, Dhirubhai Ambani, didn't held a single rupee as a wealth. He made an empire of crores, billions of dollars. Who's the richest planet on this earth? Elon Musk. As of now, $400 billion net worth. Was he born as a richest person? No, he was not born millionaire. So guys, please change your mindset. This is because of the social media, this because of Facebook, YouTube. People have put in you कि you need to have some crores of rupees to make crores of rupees. ऐसा नहीं है भाई. Look people around you. I can give you n number of example. Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, was not born billionaire. He made billionaires. He made the skills जिसने billions बनाए. So guys, did you had a mindset shift? Can you write MS in the chat when I open the chat box? What is that, Hardik? Mindset shifted. Your mindset has shifted कि हाँ यार, I don't want crores. I need to develop the skills which can make you crores of rupees, which can make you rich in this life. Can I get MS in the chat? Is it a mindset shift? Have you understood the big capital ka problem nahi hai bhai? The skill, the mindset you are having is the problem. MS in the chat, true bro. Mindset shifted. Yes. Yes, sir. MS Dhoni. Yeah, you can take any example of anyone. MS in the chat. Now I will close the chat box. Let me solve your next problem. Okay? This problem solved. Some doctor is writing Hardik mindset shifted. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now let me solve your next problem. So I have seen someone who's a doctor. Now I know we have different categories. We have working professional, we have business owner, we have people who have exams, children, sabe. All sort of crowd is there, and we have some international audience as well. How many you have this problem, next problem, which is your third or fourth problem? I don't know how many problems we have solved so far. Hardik, this is all good. Yeah, easy way. Hardik, I can do it. But Hardik, the problem is whenever the market is opening, I am in front of my boss. Hardik, whenever the market is live, I'm in my 9 to 5, or I'm in my college, or Hardik, I'm a business owner. I have to deal with my clients. I'm always in client meeting and all of that. In all of this, Hardik, trading के लिए time कहाँ पे? Investing के लिए time कहाँ पे? Can you write me in the chat? I will solve this problem as well. I have solution for every problem. Trust me. If you challenge me, I will solve this. Is that a me in the chat? Chalo, I'm retired. I have a IT company. Really? Can a 9 to 5 do it? Hi, I will do it live right now. Guys, see this. Now, I'm closing the chat. I'm closing the chat. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, I'm a politician. Wow. We have various crowd. We have like variety of crowd today. Now, guys, let me introduce the power of automated systems. Now, 90% people ko pata hi nahi. Hardik, what is automated system? So, guys, hypothetically speaking, let's say, now I know you don't have such private brokers. So, I will take an example of a common broker, Zerodha. Very common, right? Now, hypothetically speaking, you have done your research, and let's say tomorrow you need to buy Tata Motors, for example. So what you can do is you can add Tata Motors in your wish list, or you can go on Tata Motors directly. You can click on this three dots and you can click on ATO. Hardik, what is ATO? Now let me show you. So it's not only alerts, it's ATO, alert trigger order. Now 90% people just stuck at buy, sell, stop loss, target. Let me take you beyond that. Now see this, this is just like a if Excel formula. So what is the automation here, Hardik? We are telling the AI tool that if the last price of Tata Motors is greater than equal to, let's say your target is, for example, 710, 710, for example, not a financial recommendation. Now let's say you're telling this AI tool that if the last price of Tata Motors is greater than equal to 710 INR, Indian rupees, trigger. What to trigger? Trigger and go and buy Tata Motors. See this, Tata Motors, buy. You can place a regular order. If you can place a quick order as well, you can put stop loss, target, everything. Let me show you a quick order first. Let's say you have a basic trading capital of how much? 10,000. Let's say you want to buy 12 quantity, or let's say 14 quantity, right? Click on add to basket. Now see this, below 10,000, your trading is automated. Now, Hardik, what is 10,000? This is the 10,000 buying price of Tata Motors. This is not a cost. This service is free of cost in your common brokers. All common brokers have it. Zerodha, Grow, and all of that. See this. Click on create. Now, you do not even have to continually check your trading application. You do not even have to turn on your internet. You do not even have to do anything, buddy. Simply create and your job is done. Enjoy your meetings, enjoy your 9 to 5 ka job, enjoy your exams, enjoy your studies, enjoy your business, grow your revenue, grow your profit. This is automated. Can I get crazy in the chat? Solve, problem solve. Crazy. Guys, see this. This is the problem. Guys, I want to show you one thing. See this. I will take a live screenshot. What is time in India right now? It's 8:05. See this. Manish bhai. Manish. Hardik, you are not reading my comments. Guys, can we maintain professionalism? Can everyone write P in the chat? I cannot take your questions between learning. Q&A last mein hoga. Can I get P in the chat, please? Can we all maintain professionalism? Some are telling you are not reading my name. I'm not here to read your name. I'm here to teach you. Can we write P in the chat? Because many people have commitments. Let's maintain the professionalism. Okay. P in the chat. Okay. Now I'm going to close the chat box. Now, guys, what if I told you I can take this same example to the entire next level? Complete solution for everyone. But before that, I want to see how many people here are intraday traders or swing trader or option trader or equity trader. Drop me in the chat. Many people, me in the chat. Me. What is intraday? जिसको नहीं पता है, do not worry. Me. ऑप्शन स्विंग फ्यूचर ऑप्शन ट्रेडर, ठीक है, ऑप्शन ट्रेडर, इक्विटी ट्रेडर, ये ट्रेडर, इंट्रा स्कैल्पर, ओके, ठीक है, क्रिप्टो ट्रेडर, ओके, मेनी पीपल, फॉरेक्स ट्रेडर, all sort of traders are there. Okay, gold, commodities, anyone? ठीक है, see this. SIP people, don't worry, I will show you the options as well. Okay, I'm closing the chat. Thank you. Completely new people, you are, trust me, you're damn lucky. See this. Now, see the magic. I will just remove this. Now, guys, what if I told you this is insane solution? कुछ भी हो सकता है. You can do anything. Hardik, what do you mean by that? So I will show you multiple examples. Let's say for this, you need a trading capital of 10,000, for example. But Hardik, I don't have capital. But Hardik, in my portfolio, I have Reliance ka 10 stocks. You can sell it on automation. So see this. You can write here Reliance. And you can click on sell. And let's say you had Reliance ka 10 shares. You can sell it on automations as well. Mind you guys, if you already own a share, then only do it. If you don't own a share, yes, short selling ho jayega, okay? Now, next thing, Hardik, what if I'm an option trader? I don't want to buy Tata ka share, but at this price, I want to buy Tata ka call option because I feel the Tata ka call option will go up. Again, this is just for education. I'm showing you. See this. You just have to write Tata Motors, and guys, anything, future, option, call, put, anything you can buy it. Not just Hardik, I'm a Nifty trader. I'm a bank Nifty trader. Anything, guys. Simply write Nifty future option, sab aa jayega. Anything on your screen. Complete insane solution for anyone. Any share you can buy it on automation, sell it on automation. If you own it, if you want to do short selling, you can do it. Any option trader, future trader, swing trader, intraday trader, anyone can use this automations to the next level. You just have to add the things, click on create, and your job is done. Crazy in the chat. That's the reason I tell. Keep patience. I will cover everything. Crazy. Crazy. Now, guys, as you know me, I like to give you gifts. I've already give you this gift of backtested data and automated system. Ek aur gift chahiye? Can I get one more gift? And guys, see this. This is the reason I don't answer questions. See this. I will take one more screenshot and show you. We are live right now, 8:09 p.m. See this. One more person, Om Mali. Hardik, is it work on Dhan? Some is asking grow. Bhai, I'm telling you, I'm teaching for 4 years. I know all your problems. I can read your minds. And here is the gift. Before you asking for it, here go. I've created a guide where you can set up automations in top 10 brokers of India. Grow, Zerodha, Dhan, Angel One, Upstock, sub cover hai. ICICI, HDFC, all those things, everything, Sherkan, ye wo, all top 10 brokers. Can I get happy in the chat? Can I get happy in the chat? I will give you this talk for free of cost. And not just that, guys. See this hard work. See my hard work. If you own a web application, how to automate in web? अगर web नहीं, किसी का laptop, desktop नहीं, how to do automations in your mobile phone? Can I get happy in the chat? Now, guys, after this point, can I get letter S in the chat box? Can you please surrender yourself to me? I will do everything. Please don't ask me questions. Sab hoga one by one. Can I get letter in the chat? Can you please surrender to me in this workshop? Everything is planned. Just let me go step by step. Do not break the flow of the workshop. Surrender to you. You're great, buddy. Thank you. Yes, sir. Surrender. Complete surrender. Thank you. Please continue. Chalo. Now, let me solve the next problem for you. Now, next problem is a very big problem. Let me ask this question to everyone. See this. Now the problem is, Hardik, how you implement my strategy? I've shown you on automation. This is just one strategy. Now the thing is, my personal students, like the senior citizens in my community who need my personal guidance, one-on-one support and all of that, those students and I regularly deploy multiple strategies. So Hardik, what do you mean by multiple? As I've said, I have 6 strategies. ये तो 5 हो गए. I have one strategy for SIP. I have one strategy for investing. I have one strategy for trading. I have one strategy which is for future trading, future and option wala. Then I have one strategy for option trading. Now, Hardik, how do I learn all of this? I will also show you. Don't worry. After you learn that, you will be just like my students who are doing this along with their jobs, without quitting their jobs, without quitting their business, while running their business. And the most importantly, most importantly, living lives peacefully. No mental stress that comes with manual trading. Now, guys, my next question to you is how many of you can confidently say that you know everything about stock market? Hardik, what do you mean by that? Complete price action, complete indicators, volume analysis, volume profiling, option change, everything. Do you know everything? I'm pretty much sure everyone will say, Hardik, no, it's not humanly possible. And that's where you have said right. It's not humanly possible, but guess who can do this? All of this in just a few minutes, in just a few seconds. AI agents. Hardik, which AI agent? My personal AI agent, which is Technical Analyst Ninja. Hardik, what is this? This ninja has been trained on decades of data of every book, website, tutorial, report, historical trade, stock option, option chain, future data, and much more. Let me give you a live demo. See this. What is happening with 90% beginners? They open the chart like this, and there's I will give you a live demo. Okay, guys, see this. They do like this. They sit in front of the screen. Kya hai? What is this? They don't understand why it's going up, why going down. What is this resistance? What is this resistance point? What is the support point? They don't understand, beginners. And that is why 90% never start their trading journey. What if I told you, guys, I will give you this AI agent. See this. It's by Hardik and my co-founder, my partner. Just see the magic. What you have to do is you have to come on your trading chart, take a screenshot. Hardik, how to take screenshot? Please Google it. I'm not here to teach you how to take screenshots. So I will take a screenshot. I will just paste it here. And after this, I click on enter. I don't write hi, bye. It's not your chat GPT. Hi, write an email, correct my grammar. No. Just put the data and it will do technical analysis because it is trained on it. Just like a doctor is a specific doctor. Heart ka doctor can do heart only. It cannot do something regarding to bone. It's just like that. It's a doctor which is trained in top technical analysis. And see this. Nifty chart, everything, long-term view, recent price action, key support area, whatever it's there marked, indicators, everything marked, trading view, idea generation, potential swing, what you're looking, support breaks, do you want me to do? Ye wo. Now you can tell it. You can tell it to mark key support areas, do all of that and see this 2-3 months, everything. Now I can put and I will tell you what I do. मैं जो करता हूँ वही बताऊंगा. See this. I get the suggestions. I tell it to as per the chart given above. Give me trading ideas, 2 trading ideas for swing, 2 trading ideas for intraday, and 4 trading ideas for option strategies. And for all the strategies, give me the logic, the rationale behind it, why we need to choose it or why you are suggesting it. Also, tell me the reward, risk reward ratio for all of that. And wherever possible, mention the potential gain, potential loss, and automate the research on what to buy and what to sell. And give me in a table format. Say this. Done? Hardik, what the hell you are doing? I'm talking to my personal agent. See this. I will click on enter. It is not like a human being. It won't tell me I'm not feeling well today. Ye, wo, nothing. See this. Everything swing. When to buy, sell, stop loss. I will zoom out a little bit because it's not visible the entire table. See this. I will zoom out as far as possible. See this. Strategy name. Buy on support, bounce, trend, intraday 2. We have got 2 for swing trading, 2 for intraday. Option trading, bull spread, ye wo. People just know this theoretically, but they never understand what to buy, what to sell. What will be your stop loss? What will your target? Ye kya hai ye? This is where 90% are losing money. They are relying for all this information for Telegram groups. Those YouTubers, those so-called influencers. See this, what can be potential gain, potential loss, risk reward ratio, everything is mentioned here. Everything in a table format. This is what I do. 90% people are still doing AH sub manually, and then also they make loss because they don't have the most powerful thing on their side, which is AI. And I'm completely live, guys, just to tell you this is all happening 8:16 p.m. Aura. You can check your watches. Everyone pick out your watches and check it. 8:16. I'm completely live in front of. Surrender. How many people are like Hardik? Mic drop moment. Iske baad I cannot say anything. Even if you're a beginner and like advanced level, can I get MD in the chat? Is it mic drop? Crazy. How many people are happy that you surrendered? Don't ask any questions. I will go one by one. As I've told, option trading, intraday swing trading, sab hoga. Don't worry. Happy? It's really good. Now, guys, comes the best part. I'm closing the chat, and I'm closing the chat. I want to tell you something. Now, here's a point where I can genuinely do something for you. Now, what's the case? If I zoom in here, I will zoom out a little bit. See this. I don't know how many people would be able to see this or not, but it's not showing here. I'm using, I think it's here. I'm using a premium plan for ChatGPT where I'm paying 2000 rupees for this. But I have a hack. I know, let's say I don't want to read names just to maintain privacy because I know many people here would be like, Hardik, I cannot afford 2000 per month, or I don't have it, or I cannot buy it, right? We have so many EMIs, expenses, and all of that. So, guys, I have a hack where I can share this with you. So, you will use for free without having the plus version, but there will be a cost. And who will bear the cost? Because since I am the license holder, I will bear the cost. आपको कुछ नहीं bear करना है. Stay happy. And this is, I can genuinely prove that I have achieved my financial freedom. I'm sitting on a 1 crore ka profit as of today. So this is a token of gesture from a 26-year-old who have achieved financial freedom, and it is helping others. I will share it with you free of cost. I will bear the cost. You will use it without having a plus license. अभी खुश हो आप लोग? Can I get happy in the chat? I'm not just giving gyan. I'm not just sharing it. I'm also giving it to people. Happy? खुश हो अभी? Happy, Sarji. Thank you. अरे बाप रे, the chat is going bonkers. I've never seen someone like you. Thank you. Love you. Love you too, bhai. Tummy is full? No. Guys, what if I told you I'm going to give you a shock, okay? Let me take you to the next slide. Can you tell me what creates the maximum wealth in your life? सोच के बताओ. Think and tell me. हाँ सर, हम लोग इंग्लिश नहीं जानते. वेट आई विल टेल यू. हार्दिक, आई हैव लॉस्ट अ लॉट मोर मनी. वेट आई विल हेल्प यू. व्हाट्स द थिंग? हार्ड वर्क, intelligence, knowledge, compounding, share market. The right answer is investing the right way. Letting your money work for you. Chalo, I want to see how many people have individual stocks in their portfolio. Can you write me in the chat? Me in the chat. Yes, me. Okay, the people doing SIP, आप SIP लिखो. The people who are doing stock investing, write me. Or the people doing both, write both in the chat. All red, SIP, all red. I'm in loss. I've done so much loss. ये वो ठीक है. I will help you. ठीक है, both completely new, no knowledge. I'm lost. Have some gains. Red में है portfolio. ठीक है. Now, guys, the people are saying loss and all of that. I have a question. I have a question for everyone. Okay. Now, guys, I'm saying sorry. Why sorry? Because I might sound rude, I might sound harsh, but as a mentor, it's my responsibility. I have to do it. You have trusted me. You have chosen me as a mentor. Abhi mujhe karna padega. I cannot help. Hadik, what the hell you are going to do? I'm going to give you a hard reality check. Why 90% people are losing money? You have invested your money. You have invested in SIP. You have done stock investing. Where did you got your money from? You have got that same money from your hard work. Your hard earned salary. You have worked 30 days for it. The people who have invested their business profit, you have worked for 24 into 7 into 365 for that business profit. The people who have invested your partner's saving, your family savings, your child ka saving, that is all hard earned money. And now you have lost it. I will give you the reason. Why? Because as per the rules of investing, as per the golden laws and rules of investing and finance, before even investing your 1 rupee, you need to analyze years of data of going through annual reports. Or if you are choosing any mutual fund, uska background. You need to at least 5 years of annual reports, P&L, balance sheet, sub analyze karna hota hai. Then you need to analyze financial reports, which I've said already. You have to listen to the conference call of the company. My friend, all the gents, ladies in the house, all the respected sirs and madams in the house, the same money जिसके पीछे आपने इतना मेहनत किया, इतना हार्ड वर्क, इतना stress, that same money you have invested in a company without knowing the conference call, what your money is going to be used for. You have not read the investor presentation. What are their growth opportunities? What are their plans? What are their future plans? What are the problems? What are the challenges the company is struggling from? You don't even know that. You have not done industry analysis. Let's say you have done Tata Motors, you have invested your hard-earned money, but have you done the industry analysis of the entire automobile industry, how it's going to perform in coming 3 to 5 years before investing your same hard-earned money? Have you gone through the entire competitor analysis before investing your money in Sulzon? Have you done the analysis of Tata Motors? Have you done the analysis of Adani Green, the competitors? What are they doing? Are they doing anything better than that? ये सब किया था आपने. Have you done all of this? Not just that, guys. The last but not the least, you have to do it for every SIP fund you have invested in, every single stock you have chosen. The people who think, Hardik, मैं तो SIP कर रहा हूँ. Guys, your money is going in individual stocks only. You need to understand the mutual fund, where this money is going from. Are those companies good on? That's the reason 99 passive mutual funds are not able to beat index funds. And now you're like, Hardik, मैं तो index fund में कर रहा हूँ, but those are average returns. That will not help you achieve your financial goals. Now, my simple question to you is, the people have said loss, 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 मैं ऐसे invest कर रहा हूँ, all of that. My simple question to you is, the people who have already lost money, the people who might lose it, my simple question is, if tomorrow you lose it, who is responsible? Is your friend responsible who got you suggestions? Is your family member is responsible? Is that so colleague responsible who you think is an expert in stock market? Or is that YouTuber who have made a YouTube for the sake of views? He or she responsible? Is that Telegram group admin where you got those so-called suggestions? Is that guy responsible? Or at the end, you have got the answer who is responsible. You are the responsible. You have put the OTP. You have trusted them, blindly trusted them without following the data. Have you got that bulb on moment? I call it as BO moment, bulb on. Dimag ki batti jali. Why 90% people are losing money? This is the curse. This is the cause of it. Can I get BO in the chat? Have you had that bulb on moment? I might sound harsh, sorry for that, but it's my duty to enlighten you. Is it BO? Where is the real problem in India? Why 90% people are losing money? BO? Crazy? BO, BO. I'm the responsible person. Yes, BO in the chat. You're too good, buddy. Thank you. BO on the chat. Now I'm going to close the chat box. Now comes the problem. But Hardik, if I'm not able to do it, shall I not start my financial journey? मैं पीछे रह जाऊँ? The answer is no. Guess who can do all of this without taking months, without taking days, without taking hours, without taking minutes, in seconds? And now, guys, again, since we are live on this call, let us all witness this together for educational reason. I'm going to do an educational activity where we do portfolio analyst, where we do random analysis of stocks. And I want you to give me any stock suggestions in the chat box that you want me to do it. Since upon live, I will open my Word doc. I will just like remove all these things because we have done a lot here. We are live on this call. I'm right now. It's 8:25. Chalo, give me some stocks in the chat. I will put it in the screenshot format here and let's see. We have, by the way, 150 people on the call. Crazy. See this. The chat is going bonkers. We have someone who have written BK. See this, 825, Geo Finance. We have GRSC. We have HDFC, Amit Gupta. We have Anand Raj. Crazy. The chat is going bonkers. See this. I will take a screenshot. Perfect. We have crazy suggestions. Why? I cannot even read all of them. All are coming live. See this. We have then SBI, IX, MN, Reliance, RDA, Crude Oil, TK, Tata Motors, Sulzon, BSC. ठीक है. We have many in the chat box. Nalco, ye, wo, eternal. ठीक है. I just take a last screenshot in the chat. We have 100 people messaging me. That's the reason I don't take the names. See this, guys. We have, see this, 85 people have messaged me. ठीक है, thank you so much. Now I'm closing the chat. Thank you. Love you all. Now, what to do? See this. I will give you this as well. Portfolio analyst, where I will share it with that hack. जहाँ पे without plus license you can use it. यहाँ पे once you get it after the workshop, you just have to come here and write hi. Hi. That's it. This AI, it's not going to tell you I will write email, I will solve your grammar. No, it says agent, not that basic version of ChatGPT. See this. It will tell you, please share the list of stock portfolio that I can analyze. I will put some random. Chalo, we have Eternal, which is nothing but Zomato. Then we have Sulzon. Then we have Ola. Someone written Ola here. Then we have Deepak Nitrate. I will take three suggestions from here and there. We have crude oil. I think he is a commodity trader. We have SBI. Chalo, let's see SBI. Then we have what else? New Gen, Geo Finance. We have GRSC. Then we have HDFC. Chalo, let's take a banking stock as well. HDFC. And chalo, let me screenshot the over. Let me just see from the chat the people who might have missed. Siemens Limited. We have Reliance. Sir, Hindi mein boliye. It's completely English. We have Adani Green. We have Tata Steel, Vedal, Guinness Power, DG Stock, Paytm. Oh, Paytm. Someone has written Paytm. Quite interesting. Let me see what's the Paytm is looking like. Then, okay, I will take 10 stocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. We have Loris Lab. We have Dr. Reddy in the chat. I will write Dr. Reddy. Chalo, let's see. Geo Finance kar rahe sab. Chalo, let's do for Geo Finance. What else? Ola Electric, I've already taken. That's Ola only. I will write electric as well. Chalo, let's do this. What else? Then we have any defense stock, Adani Green ke liye. We have Sulzon, which is competitor of Adani Green. So that's theek hai. Okay, what else? Nifty 50, Lloyd, Silver, Kofraj, Glenmark, Sulzon, Idea. We have Idea. Someone written Idea. Chalo, how many done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ek aur last stock. And I will take it again from suggestions. Bajaj Finance, Vedanta, Asara Puri, Mazgaon Docks. Chalo, Mazgaon Docks, let's take. It's a defense stock. Click on enter. Guys, see this. See my hand. I'm not even touching my keyboard. And I will just mark the timings. Right now in India, it's 8:24 p.m. How much time it took? It's still 8:20. Abhi 8:29 hua hai. See this. Thought for 6 seconds. In 6 seconds, AI has done 9 researches from 26 sources. Now our overall portfolio summary, sentiment is neutral. Individual sentiment summary, Eternal with Zomato is a good stock according to AI. Sulzon good, Ola Electric neutral, SBI good, HDFC good, Paytm good, Dr. AD neutral, Geo Financial good, Idea Secular bad, Mazgaon Doc neutral. Why? Detailed report behind individuals. Analyst outlook. What are the top analysts outside the world of top from the top analysts from the entire globe? What are they showing? What are their observations for that stock? News analysis past month. Eternal, Paytm, Geofinance, Ola Electric, Mazgaon sab idhar hai. Real time earnings and event tracking sab idhar hai. Then final overview and the best part which I want to show you. Portfolio rating done by AI. And now even a slightless person thinks, Hardik, this is GPT, yaar, this is normal GPT. See this. Have you ever got this from normal GPT? Would you like me to set a weekly summary of your portfolio? If you say yes, just say the word. See, this AI is telling, just say the word. Every week, you will get updates. You don't have to ask for updates. AI will send you updates every week. But Hardik, what is the source of this information? Click on source. You can see the entire list of documents. See this. The list goes on and on and on and on. In 6 seconds, this much analysis by AI is done. And now you can be happily see the thing. 90% जिसने लिखा है, you are responsible. Going forward, you will be at least having someone to cross verify before putting the same hard-earned money for which you have worked your entire 30 days of hard work on your job or your salary or your business or your job or your internship, kuch bhi ho, or if you're a trader yourself. This will be also given as a part of this 99 rupees workshop. How many people are like, Hardik, this is too good, too good of a workshop? One of the best that you have attended. Can I get best in the chat? Is it one of the best you have attended or the best? The best? One of the best, the best, too good, sir. The bestest. And now, guys, I want to ask you one simple question. Okay, before I go to further learning, so far, we have covered 9 learnings and you have paid your 99 rupees ka hard cash to me, your hard earned money, you have paid 99. If I do 99 divided by 9 learnings so far. Is one learning worth 11 rupees? Is it VFM, value for money hai webinar? Is it 10x in the chat? Is it value for money? Someone is saying, Hardik, I spend more than this on chai. How many people are spending more than 11 rupees on a chai? Hardik, I spend more on Ola. I spend on Zomato. Many people are spending 100 rupees essay. In that same 99 rupees of your hard earned money, have you got this belief? Have you got the new way? Yes, 1000% right. Worthy. 10x, 1000x, 100x. Thank you so much. Now, my simple question to you is, how many people have had a belief shift? Can I get BS in the chat? That Hardik, now along with you, I also believe that if I leverage AI and automation in my journey, I can 10x my wealth journey. Can I get BS in the chat? Is your belief have shifted in this webinar? Is that a belief shifting webinar for you? Where you have seen a complete different way bhai altogether. BS, everyone is going bonkers in the chat. BS in the chat. I shifted. BS in the chat. Now, guys. Okay. Just a sec. I'm closing the chat. Let me read one thing here. Hardik, I am here, 43-year-old, and I want your help. I'm not able to achieve my financial ready, and I'm a lady. Please don't take my name. Okay, ma'am. Okay, I never take names in my webinar, but ma'am, I will respect your privacy. Guys, ma'am, you're not alone. This is an India level problem that we're solving. And you know what, ma'am? That next learning is all about that. And if you don't believe me, just let me show you. See this. Guys, can you tell me your age, whatever your age, and you don't have a financial plan to achieve your financial freedom? एक proven plan नहीं है आपके पास. Can you tell me your age? There is one lady in the chat who is 43 years old feeling alone. See this. Crazy. 26, 27, 33, 42, 41, 53, 23, 67, 20, 66, 46, 52, 18-year-old, 14, 35, 45, 60, 40, me, 17, 27, 42, 44, 46. See this, ma'am, you're not alone. And I don't want to take screenshots and put it on the screen just to maintain their privacy. Chalo, let's do it, guys. I'm about to start with the roadmap, guys. As I've been transparent with you, we have 148 people on this call. If I get 100 people writing roadmap, I will share my personal roadmap, which has helped me achieve my financial freedom at 23-year-old. Can I get roadmap in the chat? Very transparent. 100 people लिखेंगे तो मैं share करूंगा, or else no problem. I will save your time. I will save my time. Okay, we have 70 people right away. We have 76, 82, 87, 13 to go, 96, 4 to go, done. 100, aure baap re, 110, 115, 126, 27, 28. My God, almost the entire webinar has written roadmap. Guys, I'm closing the chat. Buckle up, brace yourself. Here is the roadmap. Guys, first thing first, we will start with the definition. Financial freedom definition you need to clarify in your mind. If I ask you what's your financial freedom number, people will say 2 crores, 5 crores, 10 crores, 100 crores, 1000 crores. Any option is there. But the real financial independence is never about money. Hardik, what the hell? It's a combination of time and money. Let me explain. We all have dreams, right? Some people have dream house, dream car, dream vacation, blah, blah, blah. Thousands of dreams. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you want to achieve that dream house, that dream car at the age of 85 or 82? Because the guys, the life is uncertain. We don't even know that we are going to live till 82 or 85. That's the problem. People are chasing money without a timeline. So now we will redefine our goal. Whatever your goal is, 2, 5, 10, does not matter. We need to put a time on it. Hardik, I will try to achieve it coming 3 years. Hardik, I want to achieve it coming 5 years. Hardik, do you really think 5 years mein ho sakta hai? Which has never happened. Let me again give you an example. You can just see me video. I'm the living proof. I have achieved my financial freedom in 4 years. I started when I was 19. I achieved my financial freedom when I'm 23 to 24 ho gaya tha. I'm 24 years old. You can say 5 years. And in the last 1.5 years, I'm just helping others to achieve it. So now here's a roadmap. First thing first, make a note of it. ये recording में नहीं मिलने वाला है. The first thing is you need to master your personal finance and you need to understand profitable investing strategies, guys. Now let me start with personal finance. Oh my God, like personal finance is a taboo topic in India. People within their families are not discussing about wealth creation. Forget about wealth creation. People are afraid to say their salaries to each other. This is how we are living. This is how our finance knowledge is. What if I told you guys, if you just choose the right health insurance policies, term insurance policies, and life insurance policies for you, your parents, and your children's, your 20% of financial freedom hurdles will go away. And that's not it, guys. What if I told you the majority crowd यहाँ पे क्या है? Working professionals. They are paying unnecessary taxes to the government. And that can be completely avoided by just right financial planning. And no. Don't take me wrong. I'm not talking about tax evasion. Nothing illegal, 100% legal, ethically, morally as well. How? Right financial planning. And guys, like I can go on and on in the personal finance space for the next 1 hour. You will go crazy, guys. What if I told you I stay in Mumbai? Let's say you also stay in Mumbai, and if your household expenses, let's say 1 lakh per month, perfect, sub mila ke EMI, rent, if you're on rent, everything. What if I told you can bring that same cost, whatever you cost you have, up to 23% smartly down? And the best part, without compromising on your current lifestyle. You won't compromise for savings. Rather than you will leverage non-public hacks. And now again, I can go on that as well, but the list goes on. Now coming to profitable investing, guys, 90% people have doing SIP. But what if I told you you're doing it wrong? The SIP word itself means systematic investment planning. But there is zero planning. I will tell you what people do. We all have mobile phones. Your salary, for example, is credited at 10. What people do? They have 12 auto pay SIP debit. This is not systematic planning. This is like mindlessly planning. You've just set up an automation. What if I told you there are strategies for SIP? What if I told you there is two things, there are two pillars of the same house you need to understand? There is SIP and there is HWPBA. HWP क्या होता है? Systematic withdrawal planning. So first you need to understand your goal. According to that, you need to do SIP for certain years, and after that you need to switch to HWP. सिर्फ इन्वेस्ट ही करोगे, you don't need to understand, you don't need to take that fruit that comes with HWP, systematic withdrawal planning. And guys, I can go on and on, but here the motive, the agenda is to fix your pillar 1, where you will fix your money managing your skills, money growing skills. And sadly, guys, since our childhood, we are only taught one thing, how to earn money. But we are never taught how to manage money. Not in our schools, not in our schools. We are never, not in our colleges, not even at a workplace. We are never taught how to invest it. And that's the problem with the wealth inequality. The rich is getting richer, the poor is getting poor because of this lack of financial knowledge. And now the purpose here is to manage your money and grow your money. After the second step opens, which 90% are doing in the first go, which is to generate second source of income, generate passive income along with trading. I personally feel trading is something very suitable for everyone. Why? Because 5 years back, I wouldn't have said this. Because of AI, because of automation, because of technology as of today, everyone has an equal chance of becoming successful. Hardik, how? So let's say there is someone called as Dr. Rajesh. Dr. Rajesh has equal chances to, let's say, someone called as Ravi Kant, who might be a chartered accountant, finance guy. Both has equal chance. Why? Because now beach mein jo knowledge barrier tha, that is disappeared because of AI. Knowledge is with everyone. Strategies, everyone can make it with the help of AI. The only thing is how many people are first comers. Always first person, first taker advantage takes the entire advantage. So are you ready to take the advantage of it, or are you still wait? That's your call. That's where you can generate second source of income. And guys, statistics, data. I always tell you, trust data. You can do a random Google search. How many people have achieved their financial freedom with just single source of income, which is their salary or just their business profit? You need to invest your money. You need to grow your money. You need to manage your money. There is no other option if you want to achieve your financial freedom. And the next part, the last part, where you understand both the games, where you understand both the pillars and you master it, that's where your third pillar will get unlocked, which is understanding secrets of wealth. ये क्या है हार्दिक? What is the secret of wealth? Guys, because of this era of social media, everything has changed. Hardik, what do you mean by that? Now, people don't understand what is wealth, what is rich. I will tell you who is the wealthiest person of Asia, India or Asia. Mukesh Ambani. Have you ever seen the wealthiest person doing such things? See this. Oh, see my new car. Hey, see my new gold chain in my ear. See my new shirt. This is all misinterpretation of wealth. First, you need to clarify certain things. You need to understand. You need to become rich. You don't need to look rich. I hope you are getting that, right? 90% people are trying to look rich, but they have zero retirement portfolio. They have zero corpus. They are just living from salary to expense, salary to expense. That's not the right way to live. Once you understand this as well, that's where your real time and financial independence gets unlocked. And you know what's the crazy part? I built this roadmap when I was 20-year old, and then I followed it for strict 4 years. And this is where I am. Can I get crazy in the chat? How many people are like, Hardik, trust me, I'm 40, 50, 60, but I have never seen my life from this point of view? Is that a me in the chat? Is it crazy? Crazy? I've never seen. Crazy.